Hey guys, my name's Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. So I wanted to share with you guys how I made a little mushroom toothbrush holder and a checkered soap dish for my bathroom. And I made these out of polymer clay to make them waterproof, so let's get started. Okay guys, so for this project, I'm going to be using Sculpey clay. The color doesn't really matter because I'm going to be painting this. So take out a nice chunk of clay and wedge it around in your hands to warm it up to make it easier to work with. And then shape it into a ball. And this is going to be the stem for our mushroom. You should have something that looks like this, and then I'm going to press it down against the table and roll it around, and I'm going to make sure to put more pressure on one side to make it tapered. Once you have something that looks like this, I'm going to put my finger on top and then I'm going to press down to make a hole in it. And then we're going to do the pinch pot method. So just keep pushing your finger down till like it almost hits the bottom but not fully. Think of it like you're making a little cup. Blend away any cracks if you get them. And then I'm going to roll the bottom again just to make it a little smoother. And if it gets too tall for your liking, you can just press down on it to make it short again. I'm liking how this is looking, and I'm going to set this off to the side. Take some more clay and roll it into a ball and then press down on it to make it a bit flatter. It should look like this, and then use your thumbs to kind of do the pinch pot method again, but like not too intense, just so that it makes a mushroom cap. Here, I'm just checking to make sure that they fit together. I'm pressing down against the table to make sure that the bottom is around the same length, and then smooth out any cracks. I'm going to check one more time that it still fits well on the stem, and then I'm going to poke a hole at the top with my finger, and this hole is going to be where the toothbrush is going to enter, so make sure to make it big enough for your toothbrush to go through. Right here, I'm connecting the two pieces together just by pushing them into each other, and they held together really well. So since I like how this looks, I'm gonna bake mine, and make sure to read the directions on whatever clay you're using to bake yours.
Moments later.
Here's the clay once it's baked, and I'm gonna sand mine. And I don't know if you're supposed to sand this clay or not, but I'm gonna. And then now I'm going to paint my mushroom, and you can pick whatever colors you want. Using a dotting tool, I'm drawing on the little scales on the mushroom cap. And then I decided to add in a little smiley face. Then I decided that I wanted to speckle this. And the last thing I'm going to do is seal this with Deco Art's triple thick gloss glaze. Okay guys, so for the second bathroom DIY, we're going to be making a checkered soap dish. So take some more clay and roll it out. Put whatever size soap you use in the middle of your clay, and then I'm going to use a box cutter to cut out a square. I'm gonna fold the ends up to make a rectangle, and then the little corners I pinched together so that they would stay up. I'm going to use the box cutter to get rid of that extra clay hanging off of the ends, and then just using my fingers, I'm going to blend away the rough looking corners. I'm placing the soap in there just to make sure that it still fits well. And then now I'm rolling out a coil, and I'm doing this because I'm going to cut out the little feet for our soap holder. So make sure to cut out 4 pieces. I'm rolling them out a little bit just to make sure that they're the same width. I'm attaching the little feet, and I'm just gonna twist them into place, and then now this little thingy is ready to be baked.
Soon after.
Here she is baked, and I'm gonna paint her with a white coat of paint as a primer. Excuse the blurriness in this clip. So I'm drawing in lines because I want to make this checkered print, and I love the checkered print that isn't even, so you don't have to worry about this being perfect. And then you can go ahead and paint this however you'd like. I decided to change the teal to a more minty color, although on camera right now it's looking pretty green, but in person it looks like a mint. The last thing I'm going to do is seal this with Deco Art's triple thick gloss glaze, and then we're done. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe for more DIYs and stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!